Hello and welcome to the Design and Make Challenge 2025.
Engineering is about identifying a problem, breaking it down into its constituent elements, working out how you're going to solve each of those elements, trying some stuff and sometimes failing. Don't be afraid to try, don't be afraid to fail, just make sure you learn from what didn't work and do it better next time. That's a big part of what engineering is all about.
Students come in years 10, 11 and 12 and they have to make a device to satisfy a specific challenge. So this year we set up a project where the students had to build a vehicle which was propelled by air, and they had to see who could go the furthest or the fastest between two laser gates.
By the end of the day, they've all succeeded, built something that's worked and had a great experience of working as a team. We do this because we believe that we have to invest in the next generation of engineers. So we want to inspire youngsters to get into this as a career, and we want to give them the opportunity to see what engineering is like, try and tackle the challenge that you start off with no idea how you're going to do it, and by the end of the day you've made some prototypes, you've done some testing and you've got something that works.
We've got a big skill shortage there, a gap there, and this morning it was great to see so many girls getting engaged, getting hands-on and actually producing some really top quality products.
Such a great event. The staff get to take part in the challenge, the students get to work independently, they're in a lovely environment with loads of teams all around them at all the different tables taking part. And I think for them, some of the feedback they've given us is the testing is something they really enjoyed, where they actually get to test, improve, and then the final judging where everyone gets to see how their cars have performed.
We started off with two basic designs, which ended up being prototypes for testing. But instead of going back to the drawing board and just making a whole new one based on what went wrong with our first prototype, we just built on what we had originally.
We added a lot more sort of trying to stop air resistance in the back, trying to give it some more force and help with the flow of air at the front. So we added like a front wing to stop it from going side to side as much as well, so yeah, we've made a few changes which I think helped.
Well, I've learned that you can learn from others. Even though they are your competition, you can learn from other people. And I've also learned that working as a team involves many people, and that from looking and learning and hearing all these different fresh ideas, you can create something really special that truly works.
Everybody got an equal opportunity and everybody got the same materials and same time.
A lot of it in classroom is very computer based and not very hands-on. So it was nice coming here to actually get hands-on with materials and be able to make something.
We had some trial and error with the designs, trying to figure out what we're going to make. When we were in the process of making some of the stuff, sometimes it didn't work, but obviously we crossed those bridges and we've got our final designs.
We would 100% come to this event again. It's been brilliant from beginning to end. The organisation is fantastic. Seeing the students' faces when they were sat at the table, they knew that their challenge was inside the box, so they were taking a sneak peek of what it might be, from testing the cars to trying to design it, improving the design, and then the all-important bit at the end when they got to race them and see who's went where. It's just been wonderful.